Today we are going to be working with some terms of factors and multiples. And first we're going to start with factors. And our I can statement today is I can find the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor, greatest meaning largest, common meaning same, and factor, a factor are different numbers that you multiply to find a product. So 3 times 2 equals 6. The factors are 3 and 2. So those are what we call factors. So down here I have two products, 24 and 15. And in order to list the factors of products, there are two different strategies. One is called a factor rainbow, and the other one are called factor pairs. And I'm going to show you both today. So first I'm going to look at the factor rainbow. And when we do a factor rainbow, we always start with the number 1, because 1 is a factor of every number. And then we always end with the number itself, which is 24. 1 rainbows to 24. They connect, which means 1 times 24 equals this 24 here. And we always do our numbers in numerical order. So our next number we're going to see is 2. Does 2 go into 24? Yes, it does. 2 times 12 equals 24. And in order to show that they equal 24, I just rainbow them together. So 2 times 12 equals 24. Then the next number when counting is 1, 2, 3. Does 3 go into 24? Absolutely. 3 times 8 equals 24. And again, I'm just going to rainbow them together. 3 times 8 equals 24. Okay, let's look at the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does 4 go into 24? Yes. 4 times 6 equals 24. And then we go to our next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does 5 go into 24? Does 5 go into 24? Nope, because when we count by 5s, we don't hit 24. And so now if I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now that I know that there's nothing in between 4 and 6 that goes into 24, I know I'm done because I can't count any higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a no, 6, I'm done because that's where our last rainbow connects. So the other strategy I'm going to do with the number 15, and that is just listing your factor pairs. Again, you always start with 1 times your number, so 1 times 15. Does 2 go into 15? No, 15 is an odd number, so 2 does not go into 15. Does 3 go into 15? Yes, 3 times 5 equals 15. Does 4 go into 15? Nope, 4 does not. And since I already have 5, I'm not going to write it again, because otherwise I would just write 5 times 3, and I already have 5 times 3 right here. So my list for 15 is finished. So now I have a factor rainbow strategy, and I have a listing my factors strategy. Either one will work just fine for finding the greatest common factor. So first we will look at our numbers, and we're going to circle all the ones they have in common or the same. So I know that they have a 1 here and a 1 here. Those are the same. So those are numbers we have in common. Is there a 2 in common? Nope, there's a 2 here, but not 1 here. Is there a 3 in common? Yes, there's a 3 here and a 3 here. Is there a 4 in common? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7's not in either of them. 8? Nope. 12? Nope. 24? Nope. And 15's over here? No. So my numbers that I have in common, or my common factors, are 1 and 3. So now I'm going to find the largest common factor. So which of these numbers is the largest, 1 or 3? It's 3, you are right. So we call that our GCF, or our greatest common factor.